Hello everyone, Ernesto here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing for the Tamron 1728 F2.8. So we have the pamphlet and just only a cardboard on both sides just to hold the lens. So there is a weather sealing, a gasket, and this lens hood and the cap. And it's rotating in inner, what they call it is an inner barrel. So let's try it out. So there you go everyone, and this is the quick unboxing of the Tamron 1728 F2.8. So it's fairly simple packaging. It's just the box and the lens hood and the cap and the lens. So let's test this thing out on the field. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Peace out.